Well, it was a different story, though, at another Dow company that released first quarter results today, along with March sales figures, and it did it before the bell. Both of the numbers disappointed investors. Shares of McDonald's among the biggest decliners among the blue chips today, though they weren't down all that much, just by about 1/3%. Courtney Reagan takes a look now at what is behind the sagging sales at the burger giant and what McDonald's is trying to do about it.
Diners aren't exactly loving it. It was a McMiss for McDonald's latest earnings report, with profit falling for the world's largest restaurant chain thanks to higher beef costs, disappointing sales, and light foot traffic. Global sales at locations open more than a year did grow by 0.5%, with even stronger performance in Europe, though in the key U.S. market, sales fell for the 5th straight month. While the fast food chain is selling burgers in an increasingly competitive industry facing rising food and labor costs, CEO Don Thompson also admits McDonald's needs to strengthen its menu and work on its relevancy with consumers. McDonald's says recent menu options and pricing have confused diners and slowed down service. Breakfast remains a significant driver of sales for the Golden Arches, but its leadership position is shrinking as competitors like Taco Bell and Dunkin' Donuts, hungry for a slice of that market share, are introducing new breakfast menu items. But Barclays analyst Jeffrey Bernstein doesn't think McDonald's is in immediate danger of losing its morning dominance.
We've seen Wendy's, Subway, others go into breakfast. More often than not, they ultimately exit breakfast. It's a very difficult day part to break.
McDonald's does say April global comparable sales are expected to be modestly positive, though RBC Capital Markets analyst David Palmer doesn't see a lot of upside for the fast food chain in the near term.
Right now, we're waiting to see what they're going to be doing to make ultimately their sales and earnings go up, because this is really an earnings revision story when it comes right down to it.
Many on Wall Street need signs of a sales turnaround before buying into those Happy Meals. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Courtney Reagan.